Let's start with prayer. Om Asato ma Sadgamaya Tamaso ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityo ma Mamridam Gamaya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. This week we will see Purna Bhuja Shakti Vikasaka and Katti Shakti Vikasaka. Purna Bhuja Shakti Vikasaka strengthen arms and tone up the nerves. Uh, Whoever has shoulder injury or a frozen shoulder, they have to take necessary precautions. This is type 1 exercise. Arm rotation, right arm, and this is anti-clockwise rotation, right arm. We can actually inhale and hold the breath and rotate the hand. This left arm clockwise, anti-clockwise. We have to do as per our capacity. Okay, it's better that we do 10 to 20 times. If you are not able to do, you can do as per your capacity. So both arm rotation, clockwise and anti-clockwise. We will see Katti Shakti Vikasaka next, trunk movement. This exercise helps spinal cord supple and symmetric, and it also removes all minor problem in the back, and it actually helps in increasing the height and also helps in reducing the belly. This is type 1. You need to place your left hand in right wrist and bend forward. When you go up, you need to inhale. When you come down, you need to exhale. It's better that you do 10 to 20 times or as per your capacity. In type 2, you need to stretch your legs apart as far as possible, and arms on the hips, keeping the fingers to the rear and thumb in the front. You need to bend forward. When you go up, you need to inhale, and when you come down, you need to exhale. It's better that you do 10 to 10 times. In type 3, you need to keep your legs close, and you need to bend forward and upward slightly faster. You need to inhale when you go up and exhale when you come down. You can do as per your capacity, 10 to 20 times. In type 4, we need to keep our legs together and stretch right arm sideways. Can do 10 to 20 times. If you are beginner, you can do as per your capacity, maybe 5 times. I'm doing it in the right hand. Then once we complete our right hand, we need to go to the left hand. Otherwise, you can do one time right hand, one time left hand, alternatively also. If you need some rest, you can take rest in between also. In type 5, we need to keep our feet together. While inhaling quickly, swing the trunk and outstretch arms to describe a semicircle to the right, and exhale. Need to inhale when you come front and exhale when you go sideways. Again, we need to do 10 to 20 times. Next week, we will see microcirculation for knee and ankle movement. Thank you.